going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So last night we made a super long drive, 7 hours from where I live in Santa Cruz down to Joshua Tree, other Ord, Johnson Valley area. And we specifically went down here for the King of Hammers. It's a pretty epic week-long event of just off-road madness. And we're heading out there right now. It is like 9 o'clock in the morning, so we're trying to catch some of the first events that are rolling out. Oh, we're almost there. I can see all the trailers and oh, it's so packed out there. This is gonna be epic. Haha. Alright, so I got like, oh god, so many. I've got like 4 different wristbands because driving one of these and then we're driving a Bronco and then we're riding in another Bronco later. So we made it inside Hammertown. We're gonna go around and we're gonna check out some of the off-road builds that are here. I do see a Tacoma over there, so we're gonna have to go check that out. What do you think?
I like it.
700 horsepower Jeep? This is nuts. These like freaking 40s on here. Oh, I guessed it. They're 40s. We got cornhole. Trying to lose?
I don't lose.
All right, he just had to park across from me and just flex. Look at this thing. Dang. We got king shocks, stealth wheels, sick ass Falcons. I like this rear bumper. Looks like it would have a swing arm, but it's just not on right now. Sick bumper with the light bar, winch. Oh. One day the Taco will look like this.
Two-way radios in the car so you can stay in touch with each other. So if you get stuck, don't panic. Simply pick up the walkie-talkie, push the button on the side, yo, I'm stuck, and we'll help you out, okay? Stay on the trail. We'll talk a lot about the different drive modes, which we call goat modes in these Broncos. It goes over any terrain. So we'll use those different modes as we're driving around out there. So I'll coach you through that.
All right, so we are taking out the Bronco Sport. We're gonna go experience the goat mode, go a little off-roading up in the desert. Ride right now, see how it's going. Woo! We're in a Bronco. How does it feel?
I like it.
All right, first impressions.
All right, you rascals, you should be able to hear my...
So we got a line of Broncos going. Oh, we're going. Okay, this thing, this is actually pretty fast. Yeah, I don't know what motor it is. I'm pretty sure it's the 2.7 EcoBoost, but you can definitely tell like this thing spools up super nice and it actually gets going. And we're in that like sand mode because we're in like the desert, right? And it's riding pretty smooth. Like I don't know what kind of suspension they got on here, but it actually feels great. Feels a lot more like cushiony than the Tacoma. Like luxury off-road, I guess is how it feels. So I don't know if you can see, but way out there is like Hammertown and everything, all like the whole gathering of everybody, trailers and whatnot. We're kind of out here. We are going up to this like top of this ridge here on our right. If you can see up there, we're going to the top of that, and we're kind of rallying this Bronco Sport. And honestly, I really like it. It's very ugly, but I like it. helicopter coming in hot.
Is that the news, or is that one of the followers of the racers? What's CNN? No, it's not.
It's Icon.
Icon, what's that?
They make suspension.
So they
I don't know where they are. So the cool thing is, as we discussed it briefly down there, a lot of the tests and the testing and durability testing, the DNA from the Bronco family come from Johnson Valley. You'll look here, you'll see the lat long, this area down in here. Hey, you two can look up here, and what do you see right there? My finger's pointing.
I see a car.
You see a car, and that's the old Bronco. And if you can pop the gas cover, there you go, pop it out.
3.
That's right. So you've got these little spectacles here. Now,
So that is it for the Bronco Sport test drive. My sister went out and won. How was it?
Good.
Did you guys have fun?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, so now we're gonna go for a ride in the full-size Bronco. This thing is badass. So hopefully we don't get this thing stuck.
Yep, so it has the 35s, it has the rock sliders and all the stuff. Sway bar disconnect, front locker, rear locker, turn assist, traction control, and your hazards that you hopefully never need. And down here we have the GOAT modes, which has normal, slippery, mud and ruts, sand, Baja, and rock crawl. So which one?
camera trips me out.
Jeez,
Yeah.
that's nuts.
If you push this, the menu up here on the top left, it gives you multiple other options for the
So
camera.
you have the circle all over.
Yep. So this is
Oh.
the side view of the front tires for the sidewalls. You got a fisheye view here.
Yeah, we saw that in the other program.
Yep. And this is the standard view that it kicks on. But this one I like the most because it gives you the bird's eye view,
Oh, wow.
front view, and where your tires are headed depending on how much steering input you put into
How
it.
does it see all?
He's trying to race you.
Yeah.
You gonna let him win?
No, not right now. Well, he can have it right now because we don't want to run over any little kids in the camping area. We're gonna get polite. See, he got nervous and
He
pulled
was
off.
scared. He got scared. That's what happened.
I hit. Oh, they've got an old shit handle back here, too.
Yep.
Dang. This thing rides so good.
How fast are we going?
70.
Dang, I love it.
Can we do this again?
Oh, right?
I want this.
Alright, I'm selling my Tacoma.
Damn.
Send me that video.
I don't know where my phone is.
Oh, all the sports are gonna slow us down.
Yes.
Ooh, gave a chicken.
I know what I'm gonna buy when I get under a 6
So it goes pretty freaking good for like for what it is. Like literally this thing is 100% stock off the showroom floor. So all we did was lower the tire pressure.
And what, like 80 grand? 150?
No, I think this one's loaded. I think this one's in the 65 range, I think.
It's like donut mode.
Yeah, exactly. You can just literally-
I was thinking like,
So we're-
shoot, we could do professional donuts.
Yep, you can do cyclones, like you're a monster truck or something, you know? So, and then once you straighten out the wheel, it disengages it, and you can go back to just the regular locker mode. Sure, we can go up on the stand.
Oh, jeez. Oh, man. This is fantastic.
Alright, so he's about to crawl this rock right here and disconnect the sway bar.
To get out right here?
The wheel was like
That's not as fun.
a foot up in the air, and then we disconnected it, went all the way down.
Oh, cool.
That's so sick.
It's your mom.
Alright.
So we're gonna go down this. So we're gonna activate what's called active pedal, and it acts like you're 2 foot driving. So like you're riding the brakes. So I got my foot off the brake right now. I'm gonna hit the gas. We're gonna roll a little bit, and then I'll just let off the gas, and it's gonna stop us on its own. So if you're like rock crawling and don't want to slide or off of something or whatever, it'll basically stop for you, which is, it's cool. The better part is now we'll set in basically cruise control for it. So I'm gonna set it to 2 miles an hour. I'm not gonna touch the gas or the brakes, and it's gonna start driving us on its own. So I'm not touching the gas, not touching the brakes. My feet are just on the floor.
We're like pretty vertical.
Done this like 20 times in the last 2 days, so we're good.
Never before that. We're not the first crew, at least.
No, no.
This is awesome.
And we'll probably drag skid plates somewhere, maybe here, maybe later, but it's got full skid plates underneath to keep you from like damaging any of the undercarriage or anything like that. So I'll just turn it off here, push the button, and it turns off, and then it starts damaging your wheeling.
I'm used to the OSHA handle being up here, though.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Here goes the paint, Robert.
Oh my god! Got me in my head.
You okay?
Yeah.
Held it.
I don't weigh enough for this.
They spent a lot of money bringing these back.
Yeah, I can't remember like what their budget was on it, but it's like
Outrageous.
$1 billion, yeah, for the whole design and development of it. And the marketing money we're spending on it and stuff too.
Oh yeah.
It's crazy.
This is wild.
I've been doing this, driving them like this for 3 days now, and I got another 3 days tomorrow. So, hey.
All right, first impressions on the Bronco drive. I'm buying one. I'm selling the Tacoma and I'm buying a Bronco. There it is. You guys heard it. It has to happen.
Heard it here first?
It has to happen. So overall, that guy pretty much sent it, like really gnarly. He was hitting everything, full throttle through like turns and stuff, and super level the entire time, and the power was just like freaking nuts on that thing. It's only a 2.7, but it had a lot of torque and felt really good climbing those hills. It's the beard dog. He's got cold ones on his back. All right, so way over there, kind of where that valley meets, we brought the taco from the big parking area and went up there, checked all that out. Then we crossed over here in a bunch of rut sections over there, got it all the way up. Now we're at this rock crawl feature going on over here. So we're gonna walk over to that TV and kind of see what's going on. There he goes. He's climbing. Giving up, getting pulled out. Holy crap. Look at this view. All right, so we made it back home. Long day at King of the Hammers. We spent probably about like 6 to 7 hours there. Truck did pretty good for being like fully stock, suspension and like mods wise. I'm pretty impressed with how it handled. Little stiff over some of the larger dip sections, but it is stock, so some bigger like tires, some like 33s, 34s, and then get that lift, and it should ride a lot smoother over those larger bumps. But overall, the truck got absolutely filthy. Got some mud up underneath and in the fender wells. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I'm gonna be filming again tomorrow and Saturday for the main event day. So stay tuned for the next videos coming. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.